Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. This video is for class 2, topic revision of page 6 to page 10, and I'm your maths teacher Priyanka Best. Now children, this is revision test 2. So everyone take out your maths classwork notebook and do this test in your notebook. Now look at the first question children. Here the question is write greater than, smaller than or equal to. Children, in this question two numbers are given and you have to compare these two numbers, and then after comparing you have to put greater than, smaller than or equal to sign. Now children, question number 2, write in ascending order. In question 2, you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So children, ascending order means arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Now question 3, write the largest number. Children, here some numbers are given. So you have to find out which is the largest number among these numbers and you have to write it in the box. Now children, question 4, some fill in the blanks are given and you have to fill the blanks. Now children, let's check your answers. Look at the first question, first part. Here the numbers are 46 and 74. So children, after comparing these two numbers, you will find out that 74 is greater than 46. So children, the open side of the sign will points towards the greater number, that is 74, and the closed side of the sign will points towards the smaller number, that is 46. Now look at the next part children. Here the numbers are 67 and 76. So children, you will see that 76 is greater than 67. So children, the open side of the sign points towards the greater number, that is 76, and the closed side of the sign will points towards the smaller number, that is 67. Now children, next part. Here the numbers are 34 and 43. Children, here you will see that 43 is greater than 34. So children, now the open side of the sign will points towards the greater number, that is 43, and the closed side of the sign will points towards the smaller number, that is 34. Now children, next question, question number 2. Here you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Children, ascending order means arranging the numbers from the smallest to the largest. Okay, so first look at the first part children. In this part, first we write the smallest number. So children, 19 is smallest among these numbers. So first we write 19. Then the next number will be 21. Then children, the next number will be 26. The next number greater than 26 is and less than 66 is 34. And in the last we'll write the greatest number, that is 66. So children, in this way you will arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now look at the next part children. Here you will see that 45 is the smallest among these numbers. So first you will write 45, then the next number will be 48, then the next number will be 53, then the next number will be 69, and in the last you will write 75 as it is the greatest among these numbers. So children, in this way you will arrange these numbers in ascending order. Now children, next question, question number 3. Here some numbers are given and you have to find out which is the largest number among these numbers. So children, the numbers are 18, 20, 22 and 24 in the first part. So here children, 24 is the largest number among these numbers. Okay, so here you will write 24. Now look at the next part children. The numbers are 45, 68, 43 and 73. Children, here you will see that 73 is the largest among these numbers. So here you will write 73. Now children, next question, question number 4, fill in. Look at the first part children. In a week, Tuesday is the dash day. So children, here you have to fill ordinal numbers. So in a week, Tuesday is the third day. The answer is third. Sunday is the first day of the week. Monday is the second day of the week. So children, Tuesday is the third day of the week. So here in the blank you will write third. 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 Now next part B. Saturday is the dash day of the week. Now children, Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Seventh. Seventh. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. Now children, next part C. May is the dash month of the year. Children, January is the first month of the year. Then February is the second month of the year. March is the third month of the year. April is the fourth month of the year. And May is the fifth month of the year. So children, here you will write fifth. 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 May is the fifth month of the year. Now children, next part D. A is the first letter and dash is the fifth letter. Children, here A is the first letter and E is the fifth letter. A is the first letter, B is the second letter of the alphabet, then C is the third letter, D is the fourth letter, and then E is the fifth letter. So here you will write E. Now next E part children. In Bharatnatyam, the 10th letter is dash. So children, in this part, you will see the spelling of Bharatnatyam and you have to write which is the 10th letter. So B is the first letter children, H is the second letter, A is the third letter, R is the fourth letter, then A is the fifth letter, then T is the sixth letter, then N is the seventh letter, then A is the eighth letter, then T is the ninth letter, and children, then Y is the 10th letter. So the 10th letter is Y. So here you will write Y. Thank you.